Sudan has introduced a brand new 1,000-pound banknote, printed by Russia's renowned Goznak in June 2024. This high-denomination note aims to replace its predecessors, bringing fresh design elements and enhanced security features. But what does this banknote symbolize? And why is it significant in Sudan's economic history? Let's dive in. First, let's take a closer look at the design. The front of the note is dominated by a blend of green, orange, yellow, and black, a striking color scheme. You'll notice a mysterious minaret, a stack of 3 gold bars, and a glimpse of grain silos and a ship at Port Sudan, symbols of Sudan's wealth in gold reserves, agriculture, and trade. On the reverse, the Bank of Sudan headquarters in Khartoum take center stage, with the bank's logo and another stack of gold bars acting as a registration device. The windowed security thread and a watermark featuring a secretary bird and electrotype CBOS/LS1000 add layers of protection against counterfeiting. But why was this new 1,000-pound note introduced? Sudan has been battling a deepening economic crisis, with inflation driving up the cost of goods. The value of the Sudanese pound has weakened, making larger denominations necessary for everyday transactions. This note replaces the older 500 and 1,000-pound bills, which had lost much of their purchasing power. However, it's unclear if Sudan will introduce a new 500-pound note as part of this transition. Sudan's banknotes have long reflected the nation's rich history and economic evolution. Did you know the first Sudanese pound banknotes were issued in 1956, following the country's independence from British and Egyptian rule? Interestingly, the 1,000-pound denomination has had a complex history. It was first introduced in 1992 during Sudan's hyperinflation period and later phased out before reappearing in more recent years. What do you think of this new Sudanese banknote? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into currency history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Visit 4 Top Notes to buy this banknote. Click on the link in the description. Looking to protect your valuable coins and bars? Visit Zanica.ca for a premium selection of high-quality cases and holders. From durable coin capsules to customizable bar holders and storage solutions, we have everything to preserve your collection in top condition. Check out our full range now at Zanica.ca.